YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. So I just want to say a big thank you to all those that have been showing their love and their support. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you all for your reviews, for your comments. So we're going to dive into this video. I'm showing you guys how to prepare veggie stew, and for my ingredients I have tomatoes, fresh fish, fresh Titus fish, I have cabbage, I have carrots, I have onion, green beans, and I'm going to be using soya oil for this recipe. Trust me, this recipe is very easy and it's also a healthy meal. For now, I love to go healthy, so I'm going to be grating my carrots. I'm using the big side. Like, I prefer to use the big side for my carrots. You can also decide to dice your carrots instead of grating it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'm going to be chopping my green beans now. I'm so sorry, I don't have a tripod stand, so it's really hard to like cut and video. Yeah. So cutting my cabbage, I'm just going to be using half because cabbage is really big, and then I'm not making a really large portion of stew. I'm just taking half of the cabbage. I'm going to be slicing it. Yes, our ingredients are already ready. So starting off, I'm drying my pan, putting my oil. I'm going to be adding my onions. I always love to fry my onions before adding any other ingredients. I don't know why. Some people just add their onions later, but I like to fry mine. So I'm going to be adding curry powder. Just a tablespoon of curry powder. Then I'm going to be going in with my blended tomatoes. I told you guys, it's so easy, trust me. Just let it steam and dry a little bit. So I'm adding coriander. I added oregano, thyme, basil leaf. Added my salt, a tablespoon of salt. So I'm adding my fish so my fish can boil with this stew. We don't want raw fish, you don't want raw fish in this recipe. So as easy as it goes, really easy. So I'm going to be adding my green beans. My carrots. But trust me, it's very easy. Like, it won't take you up to 30 minutes. What am I saying? 15 minutes, you're done. Look, we're almost done. So adding the cabbage. We're adding the cabbage. Just stir gently because of the fish inside. Remember, it's boiled. You don't want it to scatter in the recipe, because it really look awkward if your fish is like everywhere. So that's why I use this method to stir gently, and I still get all my ingredients around. My ingredients still goes round. So guys, here we have it. Just leave it to simmer for a bit, and then we are done. Okay. So if you guys, like I said, if you guys are going to try this recipe, please let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and give this a thumbs up. So our food is ready in less than 15 minutes. I just had to do this with rice. Like, it was so yummy, so good. Cooking is fun, trust me. Like, I'm loving myself cooking. I'm so happy when I cook. So if you guys are going to try this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and also turn on the notification bell so when I post new videos, you'll be updated on my new videos. So bye.